If you're looking to enhance the natural light, aesthetics, and views in your Clearwater home, installing a picture window can be an excellent choice. Picture windows are large, fixed windows designed to offer unobstructed views and let in an abundance of natural light. They are especially popular in homes with scenic views, as they allow homeowners to enjoy the outdoors while remaining inside. However, like any home improvement project, installing a picture window requires careful planning, preparation, and understanding of the process. In this article, we'll guide you through what to expect during a picture window installation and how to prepare for the project, ensuring a smooth and successful installation experience. Understanding the benefits of picture windows. Before diving into the installation process, it's important to understand why picture windows are so popular. These windows are designed to be large, fixed panes of glass, offering several advantages. Unobstructed views. Picture windows are typically larger than traditional windows and do not have any moving parts, providing expansive views of the outdoors. Natural light. Their large size allows an abundance of natural light to flow into your home, brightening up the room and reducing your need for artificial lighting. Energy efficiency. Since picture windows are fixed, they do not have the gaps or seals that sliding or opening windows do, which can help improve insulation and reduce energy loss. Aesthetic appeal. With their clean, modern look, picture windows can enhance the curb appeal of your home, giving it a sleek, contemporary feel. What to expect during the installation process. Picture window installation is a straightforward process, but there are several key steps involved. Here's what you can expect when installing a picture window in Clearwater. Initial consultation and measurements. The first step in the installation process is to schedule a consultation with a window installation professional. During this visit, the contractor will evaluate your home, discuss your preferences, and take precise measurements of the window opening. It's important to note that picture windows are typically custom made to fit your specific space, so accurate measurements are essential to ensure a perfect fit. Window selection. After measurements are taken, you will select the type of picture window that suits your style and needs. Picture windows come in a variety of materials, such as wood, vinyl, and fiberglass, glass options, single, double, or triple pane, and finishes. The contractor can guide you in choosing the best combination based on factors like energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic preferences. Window manufacturing. Once you've selected your window, it will be custom manufactured based on the dimensions and style you've chosen. This process typically takes a few weeks, depending on the complexity and manufacturer. During this time, you can prepare your home for installation. Removal of existing window, if applicable. If you are replacing an old window, the first step of the installation will involve removing the existing window. The contractor will carefully remove the old window, ensuring that the surrounding walls and framing are not damaged. If there is any rot or structural damage to the area around the window frame, the contractor will address it before proceeding with the new installation. Installation of the picture window. The picture window itself will be carefully placed into the window frame. It will then be sealed and secured using appropriate materials, such as caulking, flashing, and weatherproofing to prevent air or water infiltration. The contractor will make sure the window is level and securely fastened to ensure stability and proper performance. Final inspection and cleanup. After the window is installed, the contractor will inspect the window for any gaps, leaks, or imperfections. If everything is properly installed, the team will clean up the area, removing any debris from the old window and installation process. How to prepare for picture window installation. Proper preparation can ensure that the installation process goes smoothly and efficiently. Here's how you can prepare for your picture window installation. Clear the area around the window. Make sure the area around the window is cleared of furniture, decor, and any obstacles. This will give the installers easy access to the window space and help them work more efficiently. If the window is located on an upper floor or in a hard-to-reach area, be aware that ladders or scaffolding may be required. Secure your home and pets. During the installation, contractors will be working with heavy equipment, glass, and tools. For safety reasons, it's important to secure pets and children away from the work area. Ensure that everyone in the home is aware of the project and understands the potential hazards. Allow access to electrical and water systems, if needed. In some cases, the installation of a picture window may require the removal of electrical outlets or plumbing fixtures near the window space. If this applies to your project, make sure to discuss it with your contractor beforehand and give them access to these systems. Be ready for noise and disruption. Window installation can be a noisy process, especially during the removal of the old window and installation of the new one. Be prepared for some disruption, including noise and dust, throughout the day. It's also a good idea to set aside some time for the final inspection and touch-ups once the window is in place. After installation, maintenance and care. Once your new picture window is installed, it's important to keep it clean and well maintained to ensure its longevity and continued performance. Regularly clean the window with a soft cloth and non-abrasive cleaner to remove dust and debris. If the window has a frame, inspect it periodically for signs of damage or wear, and promptly address any issues to maintain the window's energy efficiency and appearance. Conclusion. Installing a picture window in your Clearwater home is an excellent way to enhance natural light, improve energy efficiency, and enjoy beautiful, unobstructed views. By understanding what to expect during the installation process and preparing your home in advance, you can ensure that the project goes smoothly and successfully. Whether you're replacing an old window or adding a new one, a picture window is an investment that will increase the beauty and functionality of your home for years to come.